So ito yung view, guys. Second stop of the day namin sa graduation tower. Ganda. Tapos next stop namin is Salt Mine. This side. This side. Kalikot. Kaso, kunti lang time namin dito. Ang ganda. So, ito yung Salt Mine sa loob. Our next destination. Next view. Star. Ito yung makita sila. Wow, look at that, guys. Asin yan siya, guys. Wow, ganyan siya. Ito, madami ang ano to. Unit. So, yan siya, guys. Going down.
That's also.
Siya, guys. Umaagos ng mga asin. That's it.
We hear the tour, so.
So, galing na kami doon. Mabilisan lang. On the other side. So, sa other side. Dami talaga niya, guys. Wow. Isugada siguro ano. Kita. Closer look. Namis baba, guys. Tapos kayo siya. This is amazing. Partner. So, ito siya, guys. Ano naman yan? Wow. Hanggang sa taas. From top to bottom. Wow. Ito yung sa labas. Ganyan. Dami ng tao. Kanina wala pa.
The southern one was the most modern type of this device because it was smaller and horses could change direction without heavy. And this king founded one of the oldest universities in Europe, KRAKÓW University. It was in
Salt Lake. Medyo malalim siya, guys. So may 7 minutes break kami, guys. Ito yung view from the top. So, may elevator naman pala, guys. Grabe, 130 meters na may, guys, sa ilalong. To the car store. Wow. Grabe, nasa may sa taas, guys. Pinakataas. Mauna da. Nice, guys. Ang sulit yung mawain. Elevator. Different kind.
Minerals, yeah.
Minerals. So, ito, guys. Look at that, guys. Wala na kaming tour guide, so magkadugay-dugay na. 130 meters, may guys, below the ground. So, nice, guys, show. Medyo modern na modern. Nice kayo. Status, it's pink. restaurant here too. Cool. Laki ng place dito, guys. Oh, chandelier. Ang ganda, mahal siguro dito mag-held ng events.
By solving the knowledge period. But from that map, you can see that there are two dangers that are responsible for the representing part of concrete. These steps almost over. Physical production of salt in this mine. So special chamber, very deep pipe, very narrow. Very salt on the way. Water was a danger. Again, my hope most of you millions or cents line. That's stream by stream, and channel stream by stream. About 200 meters above the mine in the surface. It goes by other sections, but no one had to leave down here except some emergency situations like some instability because of where land run through small rocks and contaminated water and roads. As you can see, this technology wasn't changing that much, passing thousands of years. Still not requiring salt water. I don't pay for power, I pay for a church, so I don't have to talk that much, but I'm very passionate about this area. I try to preserve it and show it. Shallow, small. Winters are harsh, temperatures are low. That was very easy.
Ito na yung mga gipanggamit sa unang panahon, guys. The Queen and King.
Vein of salt, like a chamber with first internal staircase, you remember. At some point of its existence, the meat transport up to 40 kilograms from their shoulders up to somebody working in the bottom point of the tree, deeper in geology, and level and understand how to behave ancient, be efficient for the greater good of the hormone.
So, dito na kami sa taas. Ito yung view, guys. Time check. 8:19 p.m. Hapit na ang sunset. Ito yung view this side. Tapos over there is museum. Nice yun yung ngit-ngit na. So ito yung view, guys. Tapos may pipasado. 9-7. Ito yung view. Here, night view. View ng Krakow City. Ito siya. Sumayba siya. Ito na guys. Big. So, ganito yung view guys. Kami pababa na. 6 na ano, stairs. Stairs ba? Ikot. Ito yung view niya guys sa gabi. Diba ang ganda?